All right, you little hooligans, welcome to Quick Fix Friday. Today I'm going to show you how to clean disgusting glass. Now this car does need a full wash. We'll deal with that in a whole nother video. That's not what the Quick Fix is about. The Quick Fix is about showing you how to do one thing quickly in 60 seconds. So I'm going to show you right now how to clean this glass inside and out. Because we're doing inside and out, we're going to go with our streak-free window clean glass cleaner because this is safe on tints. It is one of the few window cleaners that is. You can spray on the towel, especially because it's a little windy, or you could just go right onto the glass. Now, my tip for you guys is to go in a single direction depending on inside or out. So I'm going to go up and down for the outside. So I'm just going to wipe up and down like this on the outside. Boom, boom, boom. That looks pretty clear, guys. Now you definitely see some stuff on here, but that's all from the inside. I'm going to spray directly on the towel, and now I'm going to go left and right. So by going left and right on here, we know that if we see any left and right streaks left over, we know that that is from the inside. Flip to the waffle weave side, and then again, left and right, just buffing that crystal clear. You can see my future in here, it's so clear. You're gonna wanna look left, right, different angles, and see if you see any glares or smudges or anything. I see a little bit over here. This is what the details are about, guys. You wanna just always check your work. And I'm gonna go up and down here, and there you go, guys. Look at that. That glass is looking beautiful. Now, only if the rest of the car looked that way, well, we'll have to do that in another video because we're out of time. That's your Quick Fix Friday. Grab yourself a bottle of streak-free glass cleaner and the Clean Stroke towel. This is a winning combo for a 60-second clean. The Clean Stroke has two different modes, guys. It's got this awesome twisted loop fiber here that's going to pick up all the residue. And then on the reverse side, which is what we usually recommend for these types of window cleans, it's got a waffle weave on here. This texture scoops up any residue and anything that's left up on there, buffing to a perfectly streak-free shine. So we're going to pull the tag off real quick. Just remember to do that for your towels. Boom. We're going to fold our towel in fours to keep it on the twisted loop side. You can spray on the towel, especially because it's a little windy, or you could just go right onto the glass. Now there's a couple pieces that we missed here. I can see right here, there's some schmutzy stuff. Looks like some bug splatter. In those particular cases, I find that it's really helpful to just spray the towel, drench a little bit of it right here, a little concentrated area, and then just kind of rub that a little bit back and forth. And that'll really clear up any of those little bug gut areas if you've got those on the windshield. And then again, just go back to the waffle weave and buff it out.